What are some famous scientific anomalies in history? If you've ever wondered about those moments in science where things just didn't add up, you're in for a fascinating journey. Let's explore some of the most intriguing scientific anomalies that have captured the attention of the scientific community over the years. Imagine a form of life that uses arsenic instead of phosphorus in its biological molecules. Sounds like science fiction, right? In 2010, a report suggested just that, but it didn't take long for other scientists to debunk the idea. The evidence initially looked convincing, but upon closer inspection, it was clear that arsenic-based life wasn't going to make it into the textbooks. Another bizarre case involves Polywater, a supposed new form of water discovered by Soviet scientists in the 1960s. This water was said to be denser, boil at higher temperatures, and freeze at lower temperatures than regular water. However, it was soon discovered that the unusual properties were due to impurities in the water, not some magical new form. In 2011, scientists made a startling claim that neutrinos were traveling faster than light. This finding would have upended Einstein's theory of relativity. But it turned out to be a simple mistake. A loose electrical cable had thrown off the experiment's timing, making it seem like the neutrinos were speeding along faster than they actually were. The search for gravitational waves from the early universe is another interesting anomaly. In 2014, scientists thought they had found evidence of these waves, which would have supported the theory of inflation. However, the signal they detected was much stronger than expected, and was later attributed to dust in space skewing the data. Astronomers in the early 20th century were divided over whether spiral nebulae were within our own galaxy or were distant galaxies themselves. The idea that these nebulae were island universes was initially met with skepticism, but Edwin Hubble's work in 1924 proved that some of these nebulae were indeed far-off galaxies. The supernova of 1987 led to an exciting but short-lived discovery of a superfast pulsar. This pulsar was emitting radio signals at an incredible rate, but it vanished after just one night. Theorists scrambled to explain it, only to find out later that the signal was actually a quirk in the telescope's guide camera electronics. In 1991, astronomers reported finding a planet orbiting a pulsar, a spinning neutron star. However, the signal they detected was due to an error in calculating the pulsar's position, not an actual planet. These anomalies remind us that science is a journey of discovery and correction, and sometimes the most intriguing findings can lead to even more important lessons about how to conduct accurate research.